this tough period of pandemic. How many of you want to be healthy and happy? I'm sure all of us. Great, thank you. I am Dr. Rashmi. Welcome to Fitter Body Leads to Fitter Mind and Happy You. So now that you have understood what is self-love and what are the benefits of self-love and why you need self-love, let's understand how to develop self-love. I'll be giving you 10 tips to develop self-love. Are you ready? Yes. So the first tip is going to be take responsibility for your own life. Only you have the responsibility to move your life ahead. Do not just sit there and wait for someone else to come and change your life or help you. Would be just waste of your life and time. Sooner you understand that, sooner your life will start improve. No one is responsible for their own happiness but yourself. So the second tip is going to be believe in yourself, not only externally but also internally. We always keep saying, yes, I believe myself, but that may be just, trying to convince the people around you. But internally, within you, are you believing in yourself? You have to also take actions towards what you say that you believe in. That is the only way you prove yourself that you believe in you. You also learn to respect your uniqueness and be you and allow your authenticity to be with you. Just don't try and act something else which is not you. Will only take away self-love. Third tip is going to be there are no mistakes or failures. It is either you win or learn from your mistakes. So what is the next move after that moment decides how you move forward. Your life is bigger than that moment. So every time you feel you have lost a battle or you have done a mistake or you failed in some action that you wanted to do then you have to always tell yourself, life is bigger than this moment. So let me move forward and think what is that I am going to do to move away from this moment. So the more you are stuck, the more you start hating or not loving yourself. The fourth tip is going to be honest with yourself. Because you might, run around with a facade, making people believe that you are not this or you are something else. But when you are with yourself, accept and understand and value what you are actually. So being true to yourself is the most important thing where you will be able to accept and love yourself rather than expecting from other people. When I say be honest with yourself, don't you think everybody is saying that? But how many of you are actually able to do it matters. To love yourself, you should know true self first. For that, you need to spend lot of time with yourself. So your alone time will only help you to know yourself better. Otherwise, some people around you keep saying you are this, you are that. You think that is you. But actually you might be something else. Until unless you explore yourself and try and understand what you are and what you want from the life, it becomes challenging for you to love yourself. So to have a self-love, being honest And being you yourself with you is very, very important. Fifth tip to improve your self love is every time you think negatively about yourself, counter the thought with a positive one. Or when you feel a negative thought coming in, list three things that you are appreciative of. Okay. You also need to analyze your body language. Like, try and smile more often, even if it is a forced one initially. I promise you it will make you feel better later. Okay. Look at your posture. Hold that head high when you walk. Make sure you talk to other people and hold your eye contact too. That is very, very important. Believe in yourself and believe in what you are doing. Make it a part of your, morning routine to compliment yourself when you see your reflection in the mirror. Example, I love myself. I'm a very confident person. I enjoy what I do. I love myself. I am confident and happy. So these are few appreciations that you can give yourself early in the morning. So the more confident you are, the more likely you will feel comfortable showing yourself to the others and being real you with people around. So work on building your self-confidence and self-esteem. So you need to work on yourself if you are lacking in your inner confidence level. Yes, I completely understand this takes time, but the rewards are worth it. So start working on yourself and your confidence and your body language, your eye contact, of course, your smile. The sixth tip to self love is express yourself. So now you have learned what it that makes you happy and confident. You build those confidence level up and express yourself every day and every moment of your life. Whether it is how you dress, the hobby you enjoy, the music you like to listen to, or the movies you want to watch, etc. Do it, own it, and enjoy it. That is when you start loving yourself for what you actually are. Or it's not like you're doing all this to please somebody. Or seventh tip to improve your self love. Try not to care what other people think of you. It might seem impossible, to totally disregard other people's opinion. But really, if you think about it, what do other people's opinion actually matter? Would people who are happy and secure in their own skin feel the need to act negatively towards others? Absolutely no, right? So if they want to comment, let them. You will be too happy enjoying life to notice, and likelihood is they are only making such comments because deep down they wish they can be as confident and happy and healthy as you are. They must be even thinking, how can I confidently express myself as you are? So, because of lack of self love within them, they are talking behind you. Does it make sense? Yes. So, love yourself so much that you will be so happy and healthy that you hardly take a notice of what other people are talking about you. Eighth tip to self love is don't compare yourself to anyone else, because understand that you are unique. There might be so many people around you, and you try being them is not necessary, because you are born here to be yourself and not to fit into anybody else's shoes, right? So be you, because if you are not being yourself, then you is missing, not somebody else, right? It's your life, and accept that you are here to be yourself and be happy and healthy. The minute you compare yourself to somebody else, then you don't know what their life is all about. You must be seeing the other side of their life. So, the more you start comparing yourself with somebody else, first thing is you're lacking your self love and you're poisoning your own happiness. And when you are not happy, then you're not making healthy choices, you're losing on your health. I'm sure it is not worth it. Be yourself and stop comparing with somebody else. So, the ninth tip to improve your self love is surround yourself with people who make you good about yourself, who accept you the way you are, who don't expect you to change yourself so that it will help them. So, when people are willing to accept yourself the way you are, that makes you sure that they have enough love for themselves. So, associate yourself with people who have a lot of self care for themselves, where you will be saving yourself from lot of negative comments, because they are happy being in their own skin and they'll let you be in your own skin and happy. The 10th tip to improve your self love is develop attitude of gratitude. So please watch my video where I have spoken in detail about developing an attitude of gratitude. I'm sure if you apply all these 10 tips with a consistent practice and effort, you will be able to improve your self love. When you have enough self love for yourself, your craving for it from everybody around you will come down, and this will help you have healthy relationships, healthy choices. You will be more successful in whatever you choose to do, and you will be healthy and happy. I want to end this video about self love with a quote by M. Scott Peck. Until you value yourself, you won't value your time. Until you value your time, you will not do anything with it. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Keep smiling.